I'm Morgan from Packability, and in this video we're taking a look at the Osprey Daylite packing cube set, which I've been testing for 2 weeks. If you find this video helpful, hit subscribe so that we can continue making content that helps you travel smarter. Let's jump in. So they come in a set of 3. As you can see, there's a small, a medium, a large, and that is 2 liters, 4 liters, and 9 liters. Let me move these out of the way, have a really nice, rugged, durable material, especially with this mesh, which provides like a nice amount of visibility and breathability for the clothes inside. The rest is like a nice, durable polyester and has a DWR protective treatment just to kind of make sure that it stays nice. All of the materials are 100% recycled and they are Blue Sign certified as well, which is really nice. The zipper is a YKK zipper, and it has a nice nylon pull cord, and it opens up with a J zip basically, just so that you can get like a nice overview of everything inside, but also keep it nice and secure. The materials are somewhat rigid. They're not very stretchy at all, but I didn't find that to be too big of an issue. It was really easy to put the clothes in and then kind of like conform them to fit more into like a cube style. Let's see. And then the packing cubes aren't very deep, I will say. So they lay pretty flat on the table or in a luggage. Found that this one in particular was really nice because I could put it in vertical, like in a backpack, and that's not usually something that I would think to do, especially with packing cubes. So I kind of liked the wide shape as opposed to like depth. These are not compression cubes either, so that's something to keep in mind. They're just standard packing cubes. And then on the back, there's also a grab handle, which I found is just simple polyester, I believe, and it does a good job of just kind of helping maneuver the bag and doesn't get in the way or anything like that. So for each packing cube, I was able to fit a decent amount of clothing in here, I believe. And so, for example, in the large one, I have 2 rolled up pairs of shorts and 2 rolled up pairs of long chinos and jeans. I found that rolling the clothes was a little bit easier for me to pack them just because of how the packing cubes are designed. They don't have a whole lot of depth, so folding them and stacking them works, but I just prefer to roll them as I could fit more in and have a better overview of everything inside, especially with this mesh. And then inside the medium, I have a tank top and 3 shirts. And then in the small, which is very compact, I just have 5 pairs of socks. Comparing the Osprey to something like the Nomadic compression packing cubes, right off the bat, the Nomadic does have the ability to compress the clothes to kind of squeeze in as much space as possible. That way it's nice and compact. There are also dual zippers on the front so that you can kind of open it clamshell style. They both have the nice mesh window for breathability and visibility, which works really nicely. The Osprey is like a little bit more like naturally compact just because of the shape and the design. Comparing it to something like the Peak Design packing cubes, this Peak Design doesn't have any of the mesh, so they're not as breathable and not as visible, but the Peak Design does have the compression capability with the zippers, and they also have dual zippers as well that open up clamshell style. And then one interesting feature of the Peak Design compared to the Osprey is that the Peak Design has another zipper on the back so that you can kind of store your dirty clothes separate from your clean clothes, which I thought was pretty cool. So there you have it, the Osprey Daylite Packing Cube Set. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Accurate, your guide to smarter travel. We'll see you in the next video.